Hello, this is John with Anthem Business Solutions, and today we're going to go over clock-in messages. Clock-in messages is a way that you can leave messages to your hourly employees. So once they clock in, they're going to see whatever message you're leaving for them. And now you can get pretty creative with this. I'll show you just a few examples of what you could do. You're going to want to go to the admin portal, which is hrpos.heartland.us, and go to the menu icon here at the top, and then go to Location Setup, and then clock in messages. Once you're in here, you just click on create a clock in message, and you need to choose a date range. We can have a start date of today, and if you just want it to last one day, then you just choose today. You can create a message here. Let's do happy birthday. You can leave little personal messages like this. Let's say we want to leave, so the other option here is for type. And these are your three options for types. You can leave it for everyone, which obviously wouldn't apply here. You can do individual job types, or you could do individual staff members. So let's say tomorrow's Jane's birthday, and we want to leave a nice little message for her. We'll do that one. We'll add another one. Do reminder. We can have a start date of this one. You can choose maybe the rest of the week. And we want this done before the end of the week. And we can just narrow it down to job type and cashiers. And we can add another one. You can add as many of these as you want. Let's say I want to start from here, and I want an end date for the rest of the year with it. I want everybody to see this message, and put, don't forget. And then something inspirational. Don't forget to treat every customer like it's their first time here. Like I said, you can use this to your advantage. You can do, hey, today's special is yada, yada, yada. That way you let all your staff know what the daily special is for today. There's a bunch of different ways you can do this. These are just a few examples. We hit save, make sure we got our save successful there, and then publish changes. Now let's take a look and see what that looks like on the workstation. Okay, so now that we're on the workstation, we're going to go and clock in. I'm just going to clock in as Jane. Now, she's going to qualify for all those messages, though, because she got the individual staff member one. She got the one that she's a cashier, so she'll get that one. And then the other message was to everybody. But you'll be able to kind of see what this looks like. But go there. We'll do a clock in. Now, once she clocks in, that's where we get all the messages. Don't forget to treat every customer like it's their first time here. Hit dismiss. Reminder, don't forget to change the light bulbs. And then, hey, have a happy birthday tomorrow. Now, it doesn't have a way to limit the messages just to one time. So if I clock out as Jane, and then I clock back in, the messages are going to pop up all over again. So keep that in mind too as you're building this. It has to do with the date ranges that you put in. And there is no limit to how often they pop up as long as it's in that date range. So, but now you've seen it. I hope this video helped. That's all I have for this one. Thanks for watching. Want to stay up to date on the latest tips and tricks? Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon.